Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a toolbar overflow option menu in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. This is the imports. First, we create the stateless widget called My App in the main function. This is the My App stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page state. This is _My Home Page state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we specify the title of the app bar. In the actions attribute, we have a pop-up menu button widget. Inside this widget, we will set up our overflow option menu. Here, we have set up 3 pop-up menu item widgets. This is the first such widget. The title is 1. When this button is clicked, we call the show snack bar function. This is the second pop-up menu item widget. And this is the third such widget. In the body attribute, we have a center widget. Inside that, we have a text widget. And this is the show snack bar function. When any menu item is clicked, we use this function to show a snack bar. Let's run the app. As you can see, we have a toolbar with a 3-dot menu icon on the right-hand side. And inside that, we have 3 menu items, 1, 2, and 3. When I click any menu button, its name is shown in the snack bar at the bottom of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can implement a toolbar overflow option menu in Flutter Android. Thank you.